The JBL Charge series has long been a favorite among portable Bluetooth speaker enthusiasts, balancing powerful sound with rugged portability. The latest iteration, the JBL Charge 6, continues this legacy, with notable upgrades in both design and audio performance, making it a compelling choice for music lovers seeking robust bass and enhanced features in a compact package. Let's dive into what the Charge 6 brings to the table. Right out of the box, the JBL Charge 6 maintains a packaging style nearly identical to its predecessor. The front of the box prominently displays a high-quality image of the speaker alongside the Charge 6 inches name, the JBL logo, and essential product details. Inside, users receive the JBL Charge 6 speaker itself, a user manual, a USB Type-C to Type-C charging cable, and a durable carrying strap. The strap is crafted from rubber, coated with fabric to ensure both durability and secure grip during transport. The ends of the strap are encased in plastic, adding to the overall aesthetic while enhancing wear resistance. In terms of design, JBL opts to retain much of the recognizable look that defined the Charge 5, making the Charge 6 feel instantly familiar to fans of the series. The device comes in 6 different colors in the Vietnamese market, with the reviewed model featuring a distinctive camo pattern. Physically, the Charge 6 is slightly larger and taller than its predecessor, measuring 228.8 mm in length, 94 mm in width, and 98.5 mm in height, compared to the Charge 5's 223 mm x 94 mm x 97 mm. This incremental size increase does not detract from its portability, but does hint at internal improvements. The speaker grille prominently features the large JBL logo and a LED indicator strip to display battery status. On the top, users can attach the strap either on both sides, similar to a handbag, or on a single side as seen on many portable speakers. JBL has also upgraded the rubber feet at the bottom of the Charge 6. They are now wider and flatter, significantly improving the speaker's stability on various surfaces to prevent accidental tipping during use. On either side of the speaker, JBL maintains the signature exclamation mark logos. However, a subtle yet meaningful change is evident in the silicone padding around the control buttons, now featuring 4 pads instead of 3, enhancing button protection and tactile feel. The charging port area has been cleaned up compared to the Charge 5. The Charge 6 now exclusively uses a USB Type-C charging port, removing the older USB-A port, resulting in a tidier, more modern interface. True to its name, the Charge 6 retains the reverse charging capability, allowing it to act as a power bank. Through the USB Type-C port, users can charge smartphones, wireless earbuds, or other small gadgets on the go, enhancing its utility during outdoor activities. JBL doubles down on what made the Charge series popular: powerful, balanced sound with a focus on strong bass. The Charge 6 continues this tradition, equipped with a 93 mm oval shaped woofer and a 30 WRMS amplifier, thanks to a new 7-band equalizer. Accessible through the JBL Portable app, users can fine-tune the audio output to their personal preference. The app also introduces Auracast support, allowing multiple Bluetooth devices to connect simultaneously and share audio, a feature unavailable on the Charge 5. AI sound boost technology and an improved woofer enhance the listening experience by delivering deeper bass, detailed mids, and crisp highs. Whether listening at moderate volumes or cranking it up for a lively pool party or picnic, the Charge 6 maintains a well-balanced soundstage that satisfies across music genres. Battery life is another area where JBL makes gains. The Charge 6 boasts up to 24 hours of playback on a medium volume setting, compared to the Charge 5's 20-hour limit. When using the Playtime Boost mode, which sacrifices some bass depth for power savings, playback time can stretch up to 28 hours. Of course, Real-world usage varies based on volume levels, audio content, and other factors, but the Charge 6 Endurance easily supports extended outings, gatherings, and celebrations without frequent recharging. The JBL Charge 6 proves to be a thoughtful evolution of a beloved portable speaker line. Its subtle design enhancements improve usability and stability, while the streamlined charging interface modernizes connectivity. Most importantly, the sound upgrades, especially the enhanced bass response, place it among the best in its class. Features like Auracast Bluetooth sharing, an advanced 7-band equalizer, and AI-driven sound optimization provide users with customization and flexibility seldom found in portable speakers. For anyone seeking a rugged, stylish speaker that delivers rich sound and all-day battery life, the JBL Charge 6 stands out as a worthy contender in today's crowded Bluetooth speaker market. Whether it's for personal enjoyment, social gatherings, or outdoor adventures, this speaker promises to keep the good times rolling with clarity and depth.